How to export a save video from CapCut to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to export a save your CapCut video to your phone gallery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the CapCut app, just tap on new video to start your project. And now here, once you're inside this section, simply select the video that you want to edit, and after that you can just tap on add. And now here on the next section, once your video is added to the main timeline, you can start editing. You can trim, you can add effects, you can make final adjustment to make your videos look perfect and professional. And here, once your video is ready, you can just tap on export button at the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you do that, the video will start exporting. And here, once your video is exported, it will be saved automatically in your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can export and save video from CapCut to gallery. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.